Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So today we created a employee onboarding system. Okay, so this is enterprise level or corporate level application. In this application, you can check multiple screens and all things. Let me go to login screen and let me explain. Okay, we created two versions. One is based on the SharePoint list and one is based on the collection base. Okay, so here is no need for list. Okay, this is basically for demo. Okay, demo, or you can learn with this, and you can check templates as well. You can copy paste the templates as well. So this is only for a demo, and this one is only for corporate level application. Okay, where we connected with the list and our office connection as well. Now let me explain the all things, how it's work and how we can use it. Okay, so here is two login option. Okay, so let me explain the all list. Okay, so this is our employee list. Okay, and here is our task list and user list, where we maintain our user like employee and role. Here is we can mention the role as well, and we can give any role to user. Okay, so if Rahul mail ID is match with this the current user login, then automatically assign this role. The documents and the department and the IT assist and the training and the audit logs. Okay, so now let me open my application. Here is my application, and you can check login as a admin because I have only admin access. You can check this is my account and here is admin access, so I'm able to use as a admin access. Now click on the login as a admin, and now you can check the dashboard. Okay, if you verify any documents, like I'm verify the Sneha Reddy documents. Okay, it's automatic verify and remove from here automatic. Okay, now you can check the system logs and what I do and last time, all things here visible. Okay, now you can check here the all things. Okay, the KPIs and the assessed and open task and pending onboarding, all things. Okay, you can check, and this is a pie chart. Now let me go to the employee dashboard. Okay, so this is employee screen, where we able to view our own employee. Okay, here is a stage of employee. This is on 6 number stage, and here is new, and here is completed. Okay, now you can edit the employee details as well. Just click on the edit. Okay, and you can check the all employee details is here. Okay, and you can view the you can enroll the new as well. Okay, you can export in CSV. Okay, and here delete option, you can delete any employee. Just click on the delete icon, and if you click on the view user, now here you able to view all employee details properly. Okay, so here is you can check, here is employee showing the timeline. Okay, he submitted documents, signed NDA, configure email in progress, and IT provision is completed. Okay, in progress. Here you can check the all stage, completed 6, in progress 1, and pending. Here is showing the all things. Okay, now you can check other things as well. Now what we need to do, just if you click on the task. Okay, so here is showing the task of the employee. Okay, the oriented the other task as well. Now let me click on the arrow. He is new hire, and how it's work, the task system. Okay, so let me click on this. Okay, here is task. Okay, now he is new hire, and let me submit it. Okay, if I'm click on the submit, then first is done. Now here is HR review, the second option. Okay, the first one is done, new hire completed successfully. Now the second option. Okay, HR review this, and HR also able to edit. We can use the submit formula, also approve button, but we created here the separate button. Okay, if we click on this, we will receive mail instant. Okay, so you can check here. Let me refresh my Outlook. Okay, now here you can check. Right now I have received just one on 159. the mail. Okay, HR verification is complete, and here is the all details. Now if I click on this send welcome mail, then automatically receive mail. I am not connected any Power Automate flow right now. Okay, it's by default sending via Office 365 Outlook connector. Okay, so here is mail format, and if you review the same, you can approve, and next you can click on the documents. Just you need to select this is completed and completed as a HR, and we can customize as per our according. We can give also attachment option. Okay, so and here is IT provisioning, similar like Outlook install completed and Teams install completed. All things I mark as completed. If I'm not mark anyone in completed, it we not able to submit. Okay, please complete all IT present task. Okay, here is showing the error. Now let me mark as a complete. After mark completed, I'm able to submit the all details as well. Okay, now here is manager approval. Okay, so manager can approve. Managers if manager approve, then automatically send mail on our Outlook. Okay, if he click on this, then customize another mail sent to direct to candidate. Let me click on this send approval mail to candidate. Now I have received the mail right now. Congratulations, your onboarding has been approved. Okay, manager approved successfully, and here is the details. Okay, now I need to click on the approve and next, and here is the option. Okay, now let me go on departments. Okay, here is the all departments. I can edit, I can delete, and I can create the department from here. I can edit from here, and here is IT assessed. You can check this is IT assessed. Okay, same things in this. Okay, we can filter also as well. Here is filter option. We can edit, we can delete, and here is a document option. Okay, in the document option, basically this application open in edit mode, so that's the reason sometimes it's automatically zoom. Okay, now here is a document option, and here you can check hire report, what is the progress. Okay, and here you can check the assessed ledger, assigned and available, the all assessed. And here is the task tracking. You can click and you can check the task tracking as well. Okay, it's important, it's already done, completed, and here is showing the medium in progress, and here is academic report, which one is showing the course training session for the employee. Okay, in induction time. Okay, now this is employee option, you can check. Okay, this is for admin, sorry. Now if I'm click on the logout, and here you can check login as an employee. Okay, if I'm click on login as employee, I'm able to view all things here. Okay, so here I'm able to view the employee task, all total task. Okay, done by the here is name. Okay, all, like I'm login as my ID and this one, and here automatically selected the ID, and this is employee portal. Okay, employee login, and automatically fetch the details if employee is registered here in the user list. Okay, I'm registered already in user list. Okay, if employee register here, so automatically check the all details, and here is showing the total step, and our step is 6. Okay, onboarding step is 6. Okay, now let me check here the first one. Here is showing the onboarding step is 6. Okay, so you can check your all details. Here is showing your onboarding process, and here is showing your personal details and all things. Okay, and here is showing your task details. Okay, so you can manage all things from here, and this is for employee, manager, and admin dashboard. Okay, so basically we created this application for enterprise level, so everyone can learn with like corporate level application. So if you want to join our YouTube membership, you able to download this application free, and in our In our YouTube membership you will learn many things, like let me explain. We are starting new on a platform on YouTube membership. In this membership I'm your trainer and I will guide you how you can get the certificates of Microsoft, okay, like PL100 and PL200, PL300 and other, okay. And we will explain the old things like real corporate project development, live support session and corporate project session, like you are working anywhere and you need any help in your corporate project, just join our membership and visit our site. We will help you all in all. So join our membership, you can check our site, okay. Just you need to create your account and we will provide also AI support chatbot, which one is a powerful chatbot, okay. You can check on site directly and you will get also community access, and we will upload every day 1 hour video. So for I think 100 plus hours video we will upload, and every week we upload one project, large project, okay. You can check, we starting from basic to advanced level corporate training. So you can join our YouTube membership, okay. And here is all platform we will explain, and here is enterprise project, okay. And benefits, you will get these benefits, okay, also. And here you can join, and okay. And let me explain the, I think I already explained. You can join on Dial for IT website and you can join on YouTube membership also, okay. So here is all things. Now let me show you the dashboard. Here is the dashboard of Dial for IT, the user dashboard, okay. You can check here, you will get the product, okay. You can download, if you join membership you will able to download the all product free, okay. And you can use here the free courses as well, available on our site, and once you join we will provide you free courses as well. Let me show you the courses. You can check here the courses available, okay. We will provide you free courses, okay. Here is 2 courses available, okay. And you can join this one, the master program, okay. And here is option of product, you able to access the all product free, okay. You can check here the all products available and you will get all products free. Now let me explain the other things, okay. If you want to download this template, just need to visit my YouTube channel and go to store option, and here is the link directly, and you can click on this employee onboarding PowerApps template and you are able to download from the YouTube store, or you can download from our site as well. Just go to our site and here is option of employee onboarding system. You can download from here, okay. And you can download also TalkMate. So thank you so much. If you need any help related to this project, and if you want to develop for your company, please let me know and comment and mail me and send me a message on WhatsApp, okay. So thank you so much in this video, and please join my YouTube membership. So I will upload daily videos, 1 hour training and basic to advanced power platform, okay. And like corporate level trainings video I will upload. Thank you.